Didn't tape any of this, but I made paper mache. I used the paper shredder, and after shredding a ton of junk mail, I put in flour and water, let it sit for about a day and a half, and then I added a little bit of concrete, probably about, I guess about that much. I filtered out all the rocks and just used the powder. And then now I burnt this. This was styrofoam, and I used a lighter. I mean, a mini torch. This, and just melted the styrofoam. You know, I've made other videos about that. But anyway, I made it in the shape of wings, gargoyle wings, I hope. And now I'm just, you know, paper macheing it because we have this giant block out front that I'm going to turn into a gargoyle if I can. So we'll see. Here's a gargoyle that we have. And this is a big, it was a fence post anchor. So I'm going to try to turn that into a gargoyle using these. This is the one side of the wings. So hopefully it'll, I mean, it's getting pretty dry. It's only been out for about 8 hours. So probably if it doesn't rain, well, I'm obviously not going to leave it out, but if it's nice out tomorrow, it should be dry enough to do the other side. So far so good. This is a little test thing I made. I mean, it's really hard. It came out pretty cool. So hopefully the paper mache thing I made will be really rigid and won't fall apart. We'll see.